If y'all want to see how I made this ring light, yes, I made it. Then keep on watching. Okay, so today, I'm going to do a DIY. I'm going to make myself a ring light, or whatever those little lights are called. I'm gonna make one today because, as you can see, I don't have any lights in my living room, which I need to get some lamps. But until I get some lamps and some lighting in here, I'm gonna make my own lighting. How about that? And so I'm just tired. But anyway, if you want to know how to make your own ring light, just keep on watching and I'll show you how to do it. So you're going to need an LED rope light, this wire wreath. You're going to need a paper towel holder, or that's what I used. Some aluminum foil, scissors, and a handy dandy glue gun. Also some glue sticks for the glue gun, if you decide to use the glue gun. Some of these cable ties. Okay, so to start off, you just need
access to JP Morgan investment expertise.
You gotta take this off.
More of what's yours. They say money can't buy happiness.
And I'm gonna put mine on this side. It's like concave. I'm gonna put it on the outside. The outside here.
And I'm buying it.
So you take this,
$4.99 each for a limited time at Subway.
get your aluminum foil. And you put your aluminum foil around this. So you're gonna put your aluminum foil around. So yeah, so you put the aluminum foil around the wreath. Put it around the wire wreath. So yeah. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just needs to be covered. So that's what we're doing. Just covering it all the way around. After you're done covering your wreath, it should look like this. See? Now, you want to take your lights, your LED lights, and you want to put them around the wreath. Okay, so mine comes with this little bag right here. It has these clips, but I'm not going to use these clips. It comes with this part that connects the bottom of the lights. So let's take all of this apart. So you have this part that will actually turn the lights on. And then you have this part Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And let's just make sure this part is the part that's, nope, this part. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it together like this. This is the end that's gonna be connected to this part. So we're gonna make sure this end is at the bottom of our ring light. We want to make sure this end is going down, facing down like this, so that you can connect the other part to it. So I'm going to start at the other end, and now you're going to need these cable ties, because this is how you're going to put them together onto the wreath. So I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm just going to take it around. Move this, don't need that anymore. That anymore. Don't need this just yet. All this is trash. Alright. So, alright. So now we're going to make it go around. This thing is hard. Oh my goodness. Alright. Alright, so I got how I'm going to do it now. Put this part here. Take these out. all of them are connected. It should look like this. You should have a piece that can hang like this. So for this piece that's hanging, now you want to take your scissors and cut off all of the extra piece, all these extra ones. After you cut off all the extra edges, then you want to get this, whatever you're going to be putting it up on, to stand up on, and I'm going to attach it to it. So I'm going to attach it like this. This is how I'm going to attach it. I'm going to attach it this way so that this piece can hang down. And I'm going to attach it with these little ties. It stands up. And I just need to cut these little pieces off again. Okay. Then all you do I didn't take this, but that's what the hot glue is for. You just want to take. Now you can try and hook it up. so cool. Y'all, I got a ring light. Ring light. I got a ring light. Let me show y'all. Look how bright this is. Look at it. Super cool. Super duper cool. So, yeah. It's my ring light. Mm, mm, mm. Just wait. Let me close the blinds. Oh my goodness. Look, this is with the lights off. This is all the lights off. Blinds closed. Okay, so now I just gotta get a stand. Now I just need a tripod stand, or I might can make that one too. I might can make that too by myself. But anyway, this was the end of this video. If you liked it and you want to see more DIYs, just like it. Or you can just tell me in the comments. I'll read them. But I'm pretty sure that there'll be more DIYs coming soon, because I like to make my own stuff. I like to be creative and get my creative juices flowing. So I'm pretty sure this isn't the last one. So see y'all guys next time.